After closing the Alberta Opportunities stream in early 2024, Alberta has launched its all-new immigration stream for hospitality and tourism workers. This stream is so popular that the first intake of this stream is already been finished within 1 day, and the threshold of the application submission is already been completed. Because this stream is not based on the point system and you can directly apply as long as you are eligible for this stream. With this overwhelming response, Alberta has acknowledged the need of such specific streams, and they may open new rounds of this stream as well as open new streams like these ones. So in this video, I'm going to share every single thing you need to know about this stream. Please watch it till the end, as I'm going to cover all the important details which you might need before you apply for your tourism and hospitality workers stream with the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program. Before we look into the requirements, let's understand what industries are covered. Many popular industries in this business including museums, zoo, bowling alley, golf clubs, ski resorts, casinos, arenas and stadiums, travel agencies, hotels, convention centers, sports and recreation centers, hostels, airports, private clubs including sports, fitness and even gun clubs, and even other places like ice skating rinks, cricket field, convention and information bureau, sports and entertainment centers, and even professional sports centers are included as a part of the stream. The full list of the industry is in the description, so please go check that out. There are two sets of requirements for the stream. One is for workers and another is for the employers. Please note that they both are equally important for you to be eligible for the stream. Let's look at the employee or the workers requirement. Job occupations such as restaurant managers, food service supervisors, chef, cook, bartenders, hotel front desk, food servers, recreational guides, light duty cleaners, janitors, dry cleaning, laundry, kitchen helpers. Most of these jobs are between tier 4 and tier 5 categories, but there are some jobs in 0, 1 and 2 tier category as well. The link to the full list is in the description, so please go check that out. You have to be already working in Alberta in the tourism and hospitality sector and have a full-time job offer from an Alberta employer in the eligible occupation. You must also have a positive LMIA issued for this job at the time of application, and at the time of application you must be living and working in Alberta. You must be working from minimum 6 months in the same occupation for the same employer, does not have to be LMIA at that time. The offer should be at least 12 months of contract or more. You need at least the minimum wage of that particular job role as per the Job Bank of Canada, and the language requirement for this particular stream is CLB4, which is bare minimum for each skill. Now to be able to get PNP with this stream, you have to make sure that your employer is also eligible, which is very important to get into the stream. But before we talk about it, I would really appreciate if you could like this video, as it will help my channel and it will also help others finding this video. Now let's look at the employer's requirement. The employer must be an approved tourism or hospitality employer, which means that they must have an eligible WCB coverage, which is Workers' Compensation Board coverage. And at the time of application, the employer has to be a member of the sector association, one of the sector association in Alberta. Many sector associations include AHLA, ABBA, CWSAA. The full list of these sector associations is in the description, so please go check that out. Now we already know what you need to make yourself eligible for this stream, but let's try to understand what makes you ineligible for this stream. If you are working part-time, casual or a seasonal worker, you are ineligible. If you are an independent contractor, you are ineligible. If the business for which you are hired is a home-based business, you are ineligible. If you are a remote worker and currently not in the province working for the employer, you are ineligible. If you do not meet the English language requirement, again you are ineligible. Once you know that you are eligible, the next immediate step is to go online and apply through the AAIP portal. I will soon create an entire video of step-by-step instructions on how to apply for this stream with the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program portal. So please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out. Also, if you think that this is not the right stream for you, there are other eligible streams with the AAIP program, and if you want to know more about it, please check out the video here. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.